You know what is the most amazing feeling in the world, guys, is having an online business where you earn not 20, not 30, not 40, not 50, but 100% of profit on every single sale. If that is something that you want, my friend, then listen up. This video is for you. Friends, roughly around 5 months ago, I decided I'm taking the plunge. I am investing in this online digital marketing legacy builder blueprint. And you know what, guys? My life has literally been turned upside down. I get to work 2 to maximum 3 hours a day. The rest of the time, while I get to spend valuable time with my family and my loved ones, my business is fully automated. It runs for me in the background while I get to do the things that I love. And then waking up in the morning with things of money that I have earned. Guys, that feeling is absolutely mind-blowing. I was so sick and tired of giving my hard-earned money to other people because I was probably working on a commission base. If that is something that you are going through currently, guys, it doesn't have to be that way anymore. You invest once off, only once off, in your own, yes, you heard me right, in your own online business. For the rest of your life, you can earn online daily, like me and thousands and thousands of people out there. Guys, the only thing you have to do is drop a yes in the comments. Drop a yes in the comments if you are sick and tired of working to make someone else rich. Drop a yes in the comments, and it would be my biggest pleasure to forward you this blueprint that I am following. Have a wonderful and a blessed day.